Hey guys, so I want to share with you a shoulder rehab technique that I've learned for myself and 100 other patients now. It's a static hold philosophy where basically we're doing two different positions and you're just holding that position for 5 minutes. It's non-dynamic, it's a static hold. So the first one is a shrug where you're gonna have dumbbells at your side and literally just walk around for 5 minutes. The goal is to find a weight that you can barely hold because of your grip and shoulders for that 5 minutes. But again, you're not really moving your shoulders, you're not doing anything dynamic where you're gonna injure the shoulder more. It's just gonna be a way to bulletproof those shoulders. So as I'm holding these weights, I like to do 50 or 55 pounds for these, literally just walk around back and forth so I can keep my blood flow going, but all I'm doing is holding them here in a good postural position. That is increasing the microcirculation, it's increasing my tendon strength, my ligament strength, the muscles and the bones around that area. But again, it's a non-dynamic, non-injurious movement where I'm just holding this for 5 minutes. The next one is you're gonna do a military press where you hold this up above your head for 5 minutes. Find a weight, go less than what you think you can for a little while, but the goal is to increase over time. If you can only hold 10 pounds at your side here, that's fine. When you go above the head, you might even just try holding your hands above your head without any weights in your hands at first. You'd be surprised how challenging it is just to hold your arms above your head straight up in the air and extend them out like this. So 5 minutes down here, 5 minutes up there, find that weight, maybe it's 10 pounds here and 0 pounds up there. Over time, maybe a month from now, maybe I try 12 pounds instead of 10 pounds. Maybe above my head, I got 1 pound dumbbells above there. The goal is to make sure every month or two, you're increasing that weight just a little bit to make it more and more challenging. Sometimes when you go up in weight, you can't quite make it the 5 minutes. That's the goal though. So you should be struggling around 4 minutes and then rarely push through 5 minutes. When you go up in weight, sometimes you can only get to 4 minutes, then work your way up to 4.5, then eventually 5. Again, when 5 gets easy with that weight, increase that over time, guys. So non-dynamic, static holds will make these shoulders bulletproof without all the movements. But again, this is a use it or lose it thing. If you're not doing anything because you have shoulder injuries, it's gonna get weaker over time. Use it or lose it.